Introduction. Syllabus. UPSC syllabus for GS paper, prelims paper I. General Science. UPSC syllabus for mains GS3. Science and Technology, developments and their applications and effects in everyday life. Achievements of Indians in science and technology, indigenization of technology and developing new technology. Awareness in the fields of IT, space, computers, robotics, nanotechnology, biotechnology and issues relating to intellectual property rights. Previous year prelims trend. Around 10% of questions out of 100 questions are asked from the science and technology subject. Generally, questions are of three types. 1. The questions which depend on the basics of the subject. 2. The questions which are related to current affairs. 3. The questions which are amalgamations of the static and current affairs. Analysis of previous year's questions. Q. Wolbachia method is sometimes talked about with reference to which one of the following? UPSC 2023. A. Controlling the viral diseases spread by mosquitoes. B. Converting crop residues into packing material. C. Producing biodegradable plastics. D. Producing biochar from thermochemical conversion of biomass. 3. Type of question, direct and related to current affairs. Q. Consider the following statements. UPSC 2023. 1. Ballistic missiles are jet-propelled at subsonic speeds throughout their flights, while cruise missiles are rockets powered only in the initial phase of flight. 2. Agni-V is a medium-range supersonic cruise missile, while BrahMos is a solid-fueled intercontinental ballistic missile. Which of the statements given above is correct? A. 1 only. C. Both 1 and 2. B. 2 only. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Type of question, direct and related to current affairs. Q. Consider the following. UPSC 2022. 1. Aragya Setu 3. DigiLocker. 2. Cohen 4. DIKSHA. Which of the above are built on top of open source digital platforms? A. 1 and 2 only. B. 2. 3 and 4 only. C. 1. 3 and 4 only. D. 1. 2. 3 and 4. Type of question, direct and related to current affairs. Source. Free and open source software has great potential in government applications. The 31st of August 2021, Indian Express. The Indian Express. Enough. For example, FOSS is often mistaken to be less trustworthy and more vulnerable, whereas FOSS can actually create more trust between the government and citizens. FOSS communities can examine the open source code for adherence to data privacy principles, help find bugs, and ensure transparency and accountability. Many solutions launched by the government including DigiLocker, Diksha, Aragya Setu, the COVID-19 vaccination platform Cohen built on top of open source digital platforms have benefited from valuable inputs provided by volunteer open source developers. Such inputs have immensely helped in improving solutions and making them more robust. Q. In which one of the following contexts the term qubit is mentioned? A. Cloud services. B. Quantum computing. C. Visible light communication technologies. D. Wireless communication technologies. Type of question, direct and related to current affairs. UPSC 2022. Q. With reference to street lighting, how do sodium lamps differ from LED lamps? UPSC 2021. 1. Sodium lamps produce light in 360 degrees, but it is not so in the case of LED lamps. 2. As street lights, sodium lamps have a longer lifespan than LED lamps. 3. The spectrum of visible light from sodium lamps is almost monochromatic, while LED lamps offer significant color advantages in street lighting. Select the correct answer using the code given below. 4. A. 3 only. C. 1 and 3 only. B. 2 only. D. 1, 2 and 3. Type of question, the questions which are amalgamations of the statistics and current affairs and application-oriented. Q. Consider the following activities. UPSC 2020. 1. Spraying pesticides on a crop field. 2. Inspecting the craters of active volcanoes. 3. Collecting breath samples from spouting whales for DNA analysis. At the present level of technology, which of the above activities can be successfully carried out by using drones? A. 1 and 2 only. C. 1 and 3 only. B. 2 and 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3. Type of question. The questions which are amalgamations of the statistics and current affairs and application-oriented. Q. In the context of wearable technology, which of the following tasks are accomplished by wearable devices? UPSC 2019. 1. Location identification of a person. 2. Sleep monitoring of a person. 3. Assisting the hearing impaired person. Select the correct answer using the code given below. A. 1 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3. Type of question. Direct and related to current affairs. Source. The World. On a hearing aid, what it feels like to wear tech that actually solves a health problem. The Hindu, the 13th of February 2018. Q. Recently, scientists observed the merger of giant black holes billions of light years away from the Earth. What is the significance of this observation? UPSC 2019. A. Higgs boson particles were detected. B. Gravitational waves were detected. C. Possibility of intergalactic space travel through wormhole was confirmed. D. It enabled the scientists to understand singularity. Type of the question. Direct and related to current affairs. Source. 4 new gravitational waves detected from black hole mergers. 5. Indian Express, the 5th of December 2018. Sources to refer for preparation. NCERT books from class 6th to 10th of science subject. Read the books from the 6th to 8th standard and underline the concepts. Read the chapters related to biology from the 9th and 10th standards. 12 NCERT of biology, chapters or topics to be studied. Chapter 6 related to DNA and genetics. Chapters 11 and 12 related to biotechnology. Chapter 8 related to health and diseases. Chapters 13, 14, 15 and 16 related to ecology and environment. 12 NCERT of chemistry, chapters or topics to be studied. Biomolecule, polymers, everyday chemistry, newspapers, The Hindu, Sunday column, or Indian Express. The last 1 year current affairs. Class notes, presentation and study material. Previous year's questions.